Home Depot currently has the Nest Secure Wireless Alarm System available for just $399, which is a savings of $100. It still sells for its full price everywhere else, including Best Buy and from Nest itself. The kit comes with 1 Nest Guard, 2 Nest Detects, 2 Nest Tags. The keypad can be armed and disarmed in a number of ways, including from your home or using the app from anywhere in the world. Using the Nest app, you can get alerts for when you forget to arm the system, give someone a one-time code to disarm the alarm, and more. Wondering how the Nest Secure stacks up against Ring's upcoming alarm option? Be sure to check out the similarities and differences now. See you at Home Depot.